All right, let's move on to the second. All right, we'll look at a few ways of conversion. All right, so we'll start with this one first. Converting these percentages into decimals. Okay, converting a percentage of decimals is very, very straightforward. Okay, as you can see, all right, in this slide here. Oops, okay. All right, so 0.38 will be, all right. Okay, so 80%, take note, 180% is 180 out of 100, which is 1.8. All right, so that was the one which might be a little bit tricky for some of you. Huh? So be careful, it is 1.8, not 18, not 180, huh? It's 1.8. Okay. Yeah, and Mick has already told us D is 4%, which is 0.04, very, very good. Okay. All right, next one, 106%. Okay, 1.6. Okay, so that would be 14 out of 1,000. You see how I changed the fraction? I added another zero, all right, to the 100 below in the denominator. So that will be 0.014. Okay. What do you think this slide? Is it tricky or is this okay? Especially those which has more than 100% and those which has decimal in the percentage. Okay. Now, the second part here, I want you to convert the following percentages to decimals by division. All right. What do I mean by division? Okay, I'll show you the first example first. All right. Okay. So 36, all right, percent. 36% means 36 out of 100, as you all know, right? So that also means to say that you can take 36 divide by 100. All right. So what happens is that it will be 0.36. Of course, it's the same thing. Okay. So recognize that you can also perform a division as well, to find in decimal form. All right. Okay. Second one, yes, Nana is right. 28%. All right. If you divide, that will be 0.2. Okay, 0.127. Be careful. Yes, no worries, Min. Just join us right here. All right. So 12.7 divided by 100. All right. Maybe this will make it clearer if you do the division. Because as you can see from there, the decimals will become 0.127. Is that okay? All right. So 119%, right? If I divide by 100, it'll be more than 1, right? Because it'll be 1.19. All right. Daniel, no, not so many ones. All right. That's right. It's 1.19. Okay. 0.12%. What do you think? If I were to give you a percentage which is even less than 1, all right, you check with your division, all right, you will see what will happen. So if I divide by 100, it'll be 0.0012 because this is even less than 1. Okay, this is even less than 1. You see that? Okay. So although we won't be doing so many decimal places, but what I want you to recognize is what happens, all right, when you want to convert from percentage, all right, to decimals. Okay, when you have the option of dividing by 100. Okay, so it's 3.162. Okay, 3.162. Do you all see that? Okay, let's see who could fill in these percentages and decimals for us. Okay, all right. So follow I run through. Okay, the first one I give you all 80% is 0.8 in decimal. Okay, the second one 35%. Okay, can you fill in decimals? What would that be? All right, very good. It's 0.35. Okay, next, careful, 0.5%. Okay, fill in. So that will be 0.005. All right. Is that okay, everybody? 0.005 is 0.5% because 0.5%, if you take it out of 100, it will be 0.005, 3 decimal places. Is that good? Okay, next, 62.5%. 62.5%. Go ahead. Okay, great. So that will be 0.625. So same thing, 3 decimal places in this case. All right. Last one. Ready for the last one? 130%. Yes. Let's go ahead and fill it. 130% is how much in decimals? There's no percentage sign for when you convert to decimals. Huh? So 130% is okay. All right. So that'll be 1.3. Is that okay? Why divide by 100? Like I said, because out of 100 means divide by 100. Okay, the percentage sign itself automatically means 100. Sorry, out of divide by 100. Right? Percent means out of 100. Percent, okay, also means divide by 100. Okay,